Hey guys, welcome to our Next.js course. Super excited to see here in this journey. This journey will be incredible because it will be covered with a lot of topics and new features of the Next.js 15. Without further ado, let's get started with introduction. In this video, you will have some introduction concepts like prerequisites, what is Next.js, and why you should learn, and next steps in our journey. Um, Before moving to Next.js, you just have some knowledge and previous experience, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript fundamentals, and also ES6 plus features. It's very important. And the main thing is to have React fundamentals because Next.js use React and just React syntax. You just learn and also have some React fundamentals and React main concepts like props, state, hooks, etc. Not to be advanced, but just be basic. Yeah, because that's enough for starting Next.js. And plus, it's like it would be plus to have TypeScript and Tailwind CSS knowledge. In this journey, we will have, we will use these technologies because it's very, very important and just like modern way for efficient styling and just superset of JavaScript language. And what is Next.js? As I mentioned it, Next.js is React framework for building full stack applications. You can imagine with just one framework, you can build a full stack applications. But before turning into Next.js, we just need to know React. React is not feasible to create a fully featured application ready for production. Yeah, because it's just for building user interfaces for the front side. And as I mentioned, React is a library for building user interfaces. It would be best if you made decision about other features such as routing, data fetching, and more. You just know React is just library. I think it's limited because I can say the difference between framework and library. The library is just limited because it requires some additional other features, other packages on the internet. But framework has own packages in itself. Yeah, it's very uh, convenient and easy to use. And what is Next.js? It uses React for building user interfaces. Yeah, as I mentioned it as well. It provides additional features that enable you to build production-ready applications. Yeah, it's very the basic, the important concepts of Next.js. And this, using these features, just including routing, optimized rendering, data fetching, bundling, compiling, and more. Yeah. Uh, back in the past, you and just configured some of the React concepts just using the Webpack and Babel, blah blah blah. But Next.js is not the case because it's in itself it's just optimized and some kind of best practices among other developers. I mean, you don't want to be worried about uh, just like configurations about Next.js. You don't need to install additional packages because Next.js provides everything you need. And Next.js is a React framework for building web applications. Yeah, it's the main concepts. Uh, it has to be mentioned here. And why you should learn Next.js? Because Next.js simplifies the process of building web applications for production. Take a look at this link. It's the official. Oh, I'm sorry. It's my fault. Just remove the first prefix and right here. Yeah, it's the largest open source framework you can imagine on the GitHub for things and React Framework first and stars, number of stars you can imagine. And also you can see some of the beautiful websites built with Next.js. Uh, these websites already in a production like AI, marketing, platform engineering, blah blah. Yeah, I know some of them. Leonardo AI, OpenAI, Replit, and like Plex, Spotify. Yeah, these big and giant startups and projects use Next.js on a daily basis, right? Oh, it's very just it's the main concept and just main motivation to start your Next.js journey. Uh, and in this case, you will have just some of the topics in this journey. Form validation accessibility, we will just using form validation and accessibility for C optimization and error handling, how to handle errors in the asynchronous and synchronous operations and rendering types like per rendering, partial rendering, blah, 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 and metadata for search engine optimization and optimization itself, like font and image optimizations, routing. We just use routing system, file-based routing system, and data fetching, just in different ways, and search and optimization, search and pagination, and mutating data. We just mutate the data for the backend side. Oh, you can imagine. And styling as well in different cases like tailwind CSS and CSS in JS and styled components, etc. And authentication. Like some of the authentication concept, authentication SaaS projects available recommended by Next.js, it would be easy to use. Don't worry, we will just have some of the big knowledge, right? And architecture is very easy in Next.js. And finally, we just deploy our project and deployment. In deployment case, it will be easy because Versal team, it's already provided. Yeah, yeah, that's all today. Uh, hopefully you will have, you have some knowledge and also experience in this journey. Yeah. See you just in the next video. Thank you. Bye.